Python just got a new string type in version 3.14, the T string. You already know F string, right? Get ready because T strings are like F strings on steroids. In F strings, you write something like name is equal to like Ravi and print this. So print this hello static value and including this dynamic value with name, right? It formats variables directly inside strings. It is simple and powerful. So see the output here. Okay. So but T strings written as T. So it will take it further. They don't just format values, they track expressions. That means Python can remember exactly what code was inside the braces, perfect for debugging or even teaching tools. If you want to take the example, x is equal to 10. So print, so this T string, so take this x plus 5 and print the value. Okay, as you can observe here, so this prints both the expression and its results. The expression, okay, and its the expression and its result here. So think of T strings as F strings plus context awareness. They show not just the value, but how you got it. Python 3.14 is making debugging more human. Follow for more quick Python updates.